Words I've just curled down, but this also looks so pretty. Just look at this. I curl my hair again, guys, but this time I didn't go up. But I somehow feel this is completely covering my top. Welcome back to my channel. Your go-to space for fun and fabulous and stylish, which is just about things with me. My name is Rishika. Should we do this? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, which is just about things with me. My name is Rishika and I am back with another clothing haul today. So today I'm super thrilled to bring you all a brand new clothing haul. And guess what? For the very first time on this channel, it's Flipkart fashion haul. Now if you know me, I always gravitate towards Myntra, right? Because I do so many hauls on Myntra. Mostly because of its aesthetic interface and browsing experience. But this time I thought of giving Flipkart a fair shot. So I have curated some absolute gem and I can't wait to show you girls all the stylish pics I've found. As the title suggests, I have got lovely collection of chic shirts, perfect for college days, office days or casual outing, all under just 550 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. Affordable fashion that does not compromise on style. Every piece that I've got is genuinely great qualities, trendy designs, super affordable. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Freak, it's so hot. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First shirt that I ordered for this haul is this pretty one. Oh my god. Just look at this. Like, no words. Absolutely no words. I am in love with this one, you guys. It is cotton. It is full sleeves, like I love it, just like I wanted. And again, it is puff sleeves. Look at the collar. Look at the collar. It has some detailing of lace on it. The print is lovely. It's also got some lace here. I love the button. The length is nice. I've still not worn it, so I'll have to see how this fits. It's from the brand Tokyo Talkies. I did not expect Tokyo Talkies to be doing even cotton shirts. Like seriously, I love their crop tops. You guys know. It's always on my channel, and I paid 540 rupees for such a pretty shirt. Amazing. Now I've got size large because you all know that I love oversized shirts, but when you buy, you can buy the right size. Everything about this shirt is 10 on 10. The sleeves is definitely my favorite. This is a mandarin collar. I don't mind a regular collar as well, but this again is very elegant and chic. I'm sure it's going to look so pretty. Let me show you girls how this looks on me. Okay, girls, what do you think? Oh my god, just as expected. This is freaking. Medium would have been perfect for me. Seamless. Nude something inside. Otherwise, this is amazing. So pretty. So the second top we have for today's video looks like this. Ta-da! I don't know why I made that sound. Very pretty again, very different from the shirts that I usually wear. This one is again from Tokyo Talkies. I've ordered in size extra small because you know this can't be oversized, right? It has to fit properly here. I love the collar. I love the style that is happening down. It's again cotton. The full sleeves is also nice. It has some different vibe right here. It's got some buttons here. The color is very fine. This is how it looks behind. And the original price here says 1899. I'm sure I've not paid that. Color written here is beige, but this is not beige. I find this very khaki. Yeah, I think it's a nice vibe, a different one. So let me just show you girls how it looks. Well, at this moment, if I don't tie my hair up, I might just become crazy. Dun dun dun! This is the next stop. Please ignore my stupid bottom option. I was not actually getting what to wear under. I love the shirt. Like, oh my god. I'm just remembering Priyanka Chopra or Kendall Jenner when I look at this top. Why? I don't know why. But oh my god, this is so beautiful. I love how this is in the bottom. It just fits so well. It's making my body look snatched, which is not. I also have only 5 minutes battery left. This is how this looks at the back. I think enough of showing. You understood how. Yeah, you can peek through here. That is fine. I love it. I love it. The third shirt that I have for today's video is this one, which is damn right and so summery and absolutely beautiful. I am so much into lace these days. Just look at this shirt, it's got some lace attached to it. Now, I think I've done a mistake in the size here. I shouldn't have ordered this big. Let's see how this fits. Not everything looks nice oversized. Some has to fit your body, but definitely not bad. It's got lace here also. Oh my god, so pretty, right? The button is nice, the quality is nice. It's perfectly a nice yellow for sure. It also has lace in the back. Just look at these details. So pretty, right? I'm loving the material actually. Flipkart, not at all bad. Oh, this, did I mention it is from Tokyo Talkies again? Like Tokyo Talkies, what are you guys doing? Where are you from? I'm not done a research of where that brand exists from. It should be from India for sure. But I love this, guys. I love this. Again, this is a Mandarin collar. Look at this. Oh, so damn pretty. Oh my god. Okay, let me show you girls how this one looks on me. Oof. I thought it's going to be loose, but wow, what a judgment. It is not at all loose. It's perfect, you guys. Oh, I love this one as well. Casual and nice. If you tuck it in and wear a belt with this and a shoe, then it looks another way. You can also wear some satin shorts, tuck it in, wear it with a heel. That is also nice. What do you guys think? Amazing. Oh my god, I love the neck. I love the neck. I can tell this for the next 20 minutes. Let's see the back. Fourth shirt that I have for today's video is right here. A little mellow down from the rest of them, but absolutely beautiful again. No less than others. Oh my god, look at the sleeves. I'm just fantasizing a cottage life in this shirt. Oh, they have some different buttons. Look at this, so pretty. The other shirts has regular buttons, right? This is a little and nice. I love the neck. I don't know if this is deep. I need to wear it and see. The brand that I've got is Pulse Yes. Got off-white and grey stripes on the shirt. I've ordered large, again, for oversized look. There is lace detailing here as well in the shirt also. Oh, pretty, so pretty. Back is very regular. There's nothing much happening. And yeah, I think I showed you guys this, right? So pretty, so pretty. I love it. Like, if you just tuck this inside a denim pants or skirts or shorts, it's gonna look so nice. So let me show you girls how this looks on. What do you think? I don't think it's a nightwear top. Absolutely no. It is beautiful. I'm wearing a shorts like this. That's why it's looking like this. You can wear it under a denim pant. Also a formal pants. Like, I think after pink, this has to be my favorite shirt from this haul for sure. I love the color, I love the look, I love the fit, I love the design. Oh my god, love it. Oh, so cute, so cute, so cute. Let me show you girls. inserting this one. You have no idea how I'm sweating. The coat is right here.
If I were just to move and then she could be fatal.
Nice, right?
Now I don't know what to do without her coffees hanging over me like a
When I have one in
thread.
internet, I'm not finding that. That's a very low version. And it looks
Sunny side up,
somehow.
the only thing that's filling my brain. Be with you in the set. I just need a day off.
Why would you not buy this shirt?
Nothing in my plans. I just need a day
available.
off.
Oh my god, I love this. I love
I'll
the
get
material.
back. I
You should go for the next, otherwise I keep saying I love it. I love it.
somebody else.
Also, I need to. Well, the fifth shirt for today's video is right here. Again, very bright one. Oh my god, I love this. It's a solid shirt, so there's no lace or prints or anything on this. The sleeves is balloon, but the other shirts had. Look at the sleeves, you girls. It's so different, right? Oh my god, I love it. Again, the buttons are regular here. This is also cotton and it's from the brand called Pulse again. I've ordered size small. But when I'm touching this material, right, I somehow feel it's velvety on the outside, which is crazy to me. It is so soft. Like the other shirts that I showed you guys, of cotton ones, like you'll get to know if you touch a cotton, right? Like, I don't know how to explain the crispiness and some that karak. But this shirt is very soft. Now this shirt for sure is so nice for college or office. You can tuck it in under the formal shirt, formal pants. You need to unbutton a little, otherwise it's going to choke you. And this is the back. There's nothing much happening right here. Anyways, so let me show you girls how this looks like. So yeah, like I thought, it is perfect for office and college. It is solid, and this is how the sleeve looks like. Absolutely beautiful. I love the color. It is so damn bright. You want to see the back? This is how it looks at the back. It's so soft even in the inside. Only the sleeves have the drama. What's the difference between the men t-shirts, men shirts and women, right? There has to be some swag and curves and sexiness in women wear. It's gonna look like this. Gives the definition to the body and makes you look nice. These buttons are not regular, you guys. Sorry. That's a wrap for today, ladies. I really hope you enjoyed watching the video as much as I enjoyed putting it out for you guys. Like I mentioned in the beginning, I'm absolutely in love with every shirt shown in today's video. They're all made of cotton, which is perfect for Indian summer. Plus those full sleeves and elegant designs is a total win. I've added all the links of the products in the description box and the comment section, so definitely check that out. Also, a huge thank you for all the love and support that you guys have been showing for my previous videos. I love you girls and I truly appreciate every single one. So I have been thinking of giving some fun giveaways on the channel. I would really love your feedback on that. Make sure to drop a comment and stay active down there. And with that, I'll take you until next time. Stay stylish and take care. See you. Tata. Bye-bye.